ulam namin ngayon after iftari. Potato with green chilies at saka soksine. Hindi ko alam kung paano ang pag-pronounce. Yung ano, yung maro ba. And then, dinagdagan ko din ng potatoes. Kasi half kilogram lang yung soksine. So, ito yung ulam namin after ng iftari. Pang dinner namin. It's already cooked, so we have to put some coriander leaves toppings. Cooking ginisang talong, or they call it here in Pakistan, vegan curry. Vegan means eggplant or talong. Siyempre dito ako nagluluto sa kahoy. Ayan, para makasave ng gasol. Ayan, check natin. Masarap ito kasi native ba? Dito binawasan ko dito ng 4 na karne ng manok. Binigay ko doon sa kapitbahay namin. So dito yung 2 days ago itong natira pang chicken curry o madami pa. This is bindia curry. In Arabic they call it bamya, in Tagalog okra, also in Ilocano. In English ladyfinger. So this is our dinner after iftari. Hinaluan ko din ng patatas, so masarap ito pang dito, pares ng chapati. Ito yung chapati, yan. Ayan, paste na yung kamatis, kaya pwede nang ilagay itong mga iba't ibang gulay na dahon. May fenugreek leaves, coriander leaves, at saka ano pa ba yung iba dito? Yung spinach leaves, turnip leaves, at saka cram. Ito kinuha ko kanina. Kung napanood niya yung aking video 2 days ago, nag-harvest ako ng mga gulay-gulay. So, ito din yung lulutuin ko ngayon. Kaya ilagay ko na ito. Ayan. Ayan. Pag naluto ito, konti na lang. Ayan, buksan natin kung ayan. Kanina, diba puno na ito kanina? Yung patatas, dapat ito Yan. Yung patatas kasi, gusto nila kasi dito overcook. Ayaw nila yung half cook. Kaya, yun ang technique ko. Inuna ko talagang pina-fry ko muna yung patatas sa onion. Kasi kung kung half cook, magagalit sila kay. Lahat dito gusto nila talaga overcook. Hindi nila alam kasi yung yung nawawala yung vitamins pag overcook. Wala yan sa kanila. Gusto nila talaga overcook. Ito na yung organic vegetables with potatoes. Ito yung dinner namin after ng aftari. Check natin for the last time. Ayan, luto na. Ito ang madaling lutuin. Less oil, less time, and less work. Oh, ayan. Tingnan nyo, walang oil. Konti lang ang oil. At saka mas masarap pa kaysa yung maggigisa ka, magsusuti ka ng bawang, sibuyas, kamatis. So, gayahin nyo ito mga guys, lalong-lalo na dito sa mga Pakistani wife or from other Middle East country, Arab countries. Like in mga nakapag-asawa ng Pakistani and then nasa ibang lugar sila. Like in nasa Saudi, sa Egypt. Basta Egypt may ganito din yung mga yata nila mga gulay. Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, yan. Cooking again for our lunch and dinner. Ayan, nakagisa na ako ng bawang sibuyas. So, brown na itong sibuyas. Ilagay ko na itong kamatis. And then, put some masala. This is turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. And then, we will wait this tomato paste. Tomato become paste. Then, we will put this boiled kidney beans. This is red kidney beans. This is already boiled and this is already soft. So, if tomato paste is paste, so we can put now this one here. This is very easy to cook Pakistani dish. This is Pakistani dish. Moti dal curry. Moti means they call that moti means this fat beans. Dal means moti dal. Dal means beans, any kind of beans. Our lunch and dinner is ready. This is white rice, basmati rice, and this is kidney beans. This is moti dal. And they call it here moti dal, and this is kidney beans. So this is Pakistani dish, moti dal curry. So of course it's already cooked, so that's why I make already slow fire here. Simple foods for our lunch and dinner. Cooking rice. At the same time, I will boil also 2 eggplants, and this is our ordinary garlics and okra. So I will boil together here in rice. So no need to boil separate. And this one, I want to put this one. I will boil also. Ayan, ito na yung talong, okra, at saka bawang. Nilagay ko dito sa rice. O, diba? Nakatipid ng gasol. O, ayan. Na-overcook na yata ang talong. Tanggalin ko na lang lahat dito. My simple version of arroz Valenciana. Shout out to all mga Ilonggo, Ilongga. Ito yung specialty nila, favorite nila, arroz Valenciana. To all my friends na mga Ilonggo, ito masarap ito, arroz Valenciana. Matagal ko nang plinano ito na magluto, so ito natupad na rin at matitikman ko na rin ang arroz Valenciana since long years ago that I did not eat this arroz valenciana. Ayan, let's eat arroz valenciana. Let's eat everyone. Organic potatoes curry. This is for our dinner. Now I think maybe it's cooked. Yeah, now it's already cooked. Fresh from the field. Organic vegetables, potatoes, and different kinds of vegetables. These green leafy vegetables like clam, coriander leaves, fenugreek leaves, and rosemary. Now our viand for lunch together with dinner is ready. Ito na yung gulay, yung clam with the potatoes. Nilipat ko dito sa malinis na kasirola kasi yung pinaglutuan ko nito ay doon din ako nagsaing ng rice. Kaya nilipat ko na dito. Ayan, umuusok.